Welcome to our video on the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival, one of the most iconic and influential music festivals in the world. Established in 1999, Coachella takes place annually over 2 weekends in April at the Empire Polo Club in Indio, California. It attracts hundreds of thousands of music lovers seeking an unparalleled blend of music, art, food, and unforgettable experiences. The festival is known for its diverse lineup, featuring established artists spanning multiple genres, from rock and indie to hip-hop and electronic music. Over the years, legendary acts such as Radiohead and Daft Punk have graced its stages, along with emerging talents who often launch their careers to new heights after performing. But Coachella is not just about the music. The festival is a multi-dimensional experience that includes large-scale art installations and sculptures, contributing to its reputation as an interactive wonderland. Artists and creators from around the globe provide stunning exhibits and immersive experiences that align with the festival's ethos of innovation and creativity. Coachella is also a trendsetter in festival fashion. Attendees, often known as Coachella goers, showcase eclectic and vibrant styles, from bohemian looks to avant-garde ensembles, influencing global fashion trends. The festival is a leader in sustainability initiatives, with programs in place to minimize environmental impact. Coachella encourages carpooling, offers recycling programs, and has a reusable cup system to reduce plastic waste. Over the years, these efforts have positioned the festival as an example for others in the industry. Coachella continues to evolve, incorporating new technologies such as augmented reality and virtual experiences, ensuring that the festival remains at the cutting edge of live events. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.